Assalamu alaikum. Dear farmer brothers and friends, I hope you are all doing well. Today I will show you how I watered my own wheat field, how I mixed fertilizers, when I applied them, and how I checked soil moisture properly. If you watch this video till the end, even a new farmer will easily understand the correct way to take care of a wheat field. At the beginning of the video, you can see that I have DAP fertilizer, urea fertilizer, and magnesium fertilizer together. Many farmers ask, can these fertilizers be mixed and applied together? Yes, brothers. If done following the correct method, DAP, urea, and magnesium fertilizer can be used together. DAP helps to make the wheat root strong. Urea helps the plant grow fast and stay green. And magnesium keeps the leaves healthy and prevents yellowing. Now you can see, I have mixed these three fertilizers well. Before applying fertilizer, we must understand the condition of the field. In this part, you can see that, in some areas of my field, the wheat growth is a bit low. This can happen due to not getting water at the right time, or lack of nutrients in the soil. To solve this problem, I am now applying fertilizer properly. Now watch carefully. As a simple farmer, I am spreading the fertilizer by hand. Brothers, never pour fertilizer in one place. Always spread it evenly across the field. This helps the wheat grow evenly everywhere. Now I will show you a very important step. I am taking soil in my hand and pressing it. If the soil feels slightly moist, but not muddy, then understand that this is the best time to apply fertilizer. This is called the soil moisture test. Brothers, I watered this wheat field yesterday. The correct times to irrigate wheat are after germination, during tillering, and before heading. If water is not given at these stages, wheat yield decreases significantly. After irrigation, make sure that water does not stand in the field. Light irrigation is enough. Too much water can cause root rot and make the plants turn yellow. Now the question is, when is the right time to apply fertilizer? 1 to 2 days after irrigation, when the soil is still moist, is the best time. Never apply fertilizer on dry soil, under strong sunlight. Brothers, farming is not just about fertilizer. Farming is about timing, care, and experience. I have shown you exactly how I take care of my wheat field on my own land. If this video helps even one farmer brother, then my effort is successful. If you like the video, please like, comment, and follow the channel.